Her name was Clara. She ran a tiny bakery with cinnamon in the air and golden light spilling from the windows. She did not bake for money, she baked to confirm comfort the lonely. Every Christmas morning she left little warm buns on doorstep, wrapped in old newspaper and twine. No notes, just warmth. She was the first blossom. Jonas, a pinecone collector. Jonas was a quiet boy, often unnoticed. Every winter he collected fallen pine cones from the forest. He cleaned them, tied ribbons on them, and hung them around the town's trees and fences. He turned the entire village into a Christmas wonderland. Without ever being seen, he was a second blossom. Old Mr. Liana sat by her windows each evening knitting scarves, not for sale, not for show, but for everyone who walked past her home. Shivering in the winter cold, she gave warmth to a stranger, as if they were family. She was the third blossom, a lantern maker. A young girl named Esme made lanterns from recycled glass jars. She placed small candles inside painted stars on the outside and hung them on the town's main streets. Every night the road glowed like the Milky Way. She was the fourth blossom. Winner 5. The Musician of Hope. A man named Elias played violin at the town square, not for applause, not for coins, but to lift spirits. Because music has the power to heal what words cannot touch. He was the fifth blossom. Winner 6. The Snow Sculptor. Little Noor, with tiny hands and bright eyes, sculpted snow angels and snowbirds all along the sidewalk. Her sculptures melted in the sun. But beauty does not need to stay forever to be remembered. She was the sixth blossom. Despite the cold, a woman named Elara grew winter blossom, small white flowers that bloomed even in ice. She placed them in windows of home where sadness lived, offered quiet comfort to those who needed it the most. She was the eighth blossom. Winner 9. The Candle Giver. A boy named Adam made candles from leftover wax pieces others had thrown away. Some small, some crooked, some imperfect, but when they flickered, they filled the room with a warmth and hope. She was the ninth blossom. Winner 10. The Listener. And finally, there was someone who did nothing extraordinary at all. No crafting, no building, no gifting. Her name was Saleh. She simply listened. She sat with those who felt unseen, unheard, forgotten. She held their story, their tears, their laughter. And in a wonderful world of noise, she gave silence that healed. She was the tenth blossom. The lesson. On Christmas evening, the town gathered at the old square. The lights glowed soft golden, snow fell like feathers. Children laughed softly, and the major stood up on the steps and announced, "This year's winners are not winners of competition, but winners of heart." No trophies, no medals, just love. Because Xmas is not about grand gestures. It is about a small kindness that blossom like flowers in winter. So, as the snow falls this season, may your heart be gentle, your words be warm, your actions be quiet and meaningful, because you too, yes, you, can be one of the blossom of Christmas. Spread happiness, spread many more you won't have in your life. Spread something beautiful. Spread happiness, spread easiest thing. What can you do for others? Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care. Wishing you a very happy and beautiful Xmas ahead. Thank you for your amazing response. Good luck to you and your family members. God bless you all. Take care. Have a very nice and very good day. Take care. Stay blessed. Wishing you a very happy this season. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and good day. God bless you all. Good luck to you and your family members, and may your home fulfill with